front of me is TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into Settings and tap on My Device at the top. Then select the device name available here and type in whatever you want to, like Sunny. When you're ready, hit OK and make sure to tap on OK in this pop-up about visibility. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my TCL has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!